How to track your order on Cnfans. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can track your order on Cnfans. Tracking your order has numerous benefits because you can know where your order is right now and when will it be dispatched and the expected date when you'll receive that. So for that, first of all, open your Cnfans account and open the order section over on it. And now here you can see that this is the shirt that I ordered, but I haven't added any payment method. That's why it's written payment pending. But if you have added the payment method, then obviously it will be written that order placed. So after that, open a new tab and search for 17 track net and then click enter. After that, you'll have to open this 17 track website, and once you have opened it, you can write down your tracking number over here. You can write multiple tracking numbers up till 40 of your orders in order to track your order. So you can come back here and copy your order number from your Cnfans account and paste it over here, and then you can add the carrier, that which carrier are you expecting, or you can even let it to be auto generated. And after that, you can just click on this track button over here and just click enter. When you click on track, you'll be able to see where your account is right now. If you're using 17 track for the first time, then they'll just tell you the process, how this website works. So you can just click on next and then click on finish. And once after that, you'll be able to see that your order will be displayed over here. But since I have not added the payment method, so that's why they cannot just track the order. But if you have added the payment method, then you'll be able to see where your order is right now. So it's pretty easy. I hope you understood it. So that was how you can track your order on Cnfans. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.